Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your BGMI Authorization Revoked Facebook login problem. So if you're facing this problem and you try to log in into your account using the Facebook which is linked with your PUBG account, you just can't. In that case, you need to follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing first, you want to open up your Chrome browser. So in my case, whenever I try to link my Facebook account with my PUBG account, my default browser Chrome is going to be used. But in your case, whatever default browser is used, you need to go into that browser. And on that browser, you want to click on the three dot at the top right of the browser and go on versus setting. It's going to take you inside your browser setting. Now, once you're inside your browser setting, what you want to do is go on versus privacy and security. Now, once you're inside the browser's privacy and security section, click on clear browsing data. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the browsing data clearing page. Over here, make sure you go on the advanced section. Now, once you're in this advanced section, make sure all of this is tick marked over here. Once you do that, where it says last hour, click on it and choose all time. Once you do that, click on versus clear data and it's going to clear the data. And once it's cleared, it's going to bring you back over here. Once it's done, just close your Google Chrome, and then what you want to do is hold on your PUBG mobile app icon and it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you want to go on app info, and from inside app info, you want to go on the storage section. Now, once you're inside the storage section, you want to click on clear data, and what you want to do is click on versus OK. It's asking for our permission if we are sure we want to do that. Yes, we are, so we are going to click on OK. And once we do that, our PUBG data will be cleared. Now just close your PUBG and try to open PUBG again and try to log in using your Facebook. Your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, what you can do is delete your PUBG app, and if you have your Facebook downloaded, delete your Facebook app as well, and then reinstall PUBG and reinstall Facebook, and your problem should be fixed. So these are all the methods which you guys can use in order to fix your BGMI Authorization Revoked Facebook login problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.